Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to search on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. This type of screen appear. Then how to search on TikTok, you can see there is option on right top corner for you and search bar. Click on that search bar and write anything which you want to search, like birthday videos. I am going to search. Click on this birthday videos and select any of the video. Click on this and save this video from here in your gallery. That was the procedure that how you can search on TikTok. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.